Welcome to 13. The goal is simple. Be the first one to reach exactly 13 points. But here's the catch. One wrong card can send you crashing back to strategy, risk and perfect timing. Let's learn how to play. Today we are playing with 4 players A, B, C and D. Let's dive in. There are total 55 cards in the deck. Point card, +1, +2, +3 and +13 lets you build your score. Action card, swap. Swap your entire hand with any player. Crash all. Your score resets to 0. Power cards. Crash. Lets you reduce your score. Steal. Lets you steal up to 3 cards from your opponent. Shuffle all 55 cards together. Point card, power card, action card, all mixed in. Place the deck face down in the center. Keep space for a discard pile. Important. Keep your card hidden from the other players. No one shows their hand. Ready to play? Player A goes first. Draw one card at a time from the deck. A, +1 point card. Now A has a decision to make. Stop and keep that 1 point safe or risk drawing another card. A continues. A draws +3, now at 4 points. You can draw up to 3 cards per turn, but one by one. A goes for the third draw. A +2. Player A ends the turn with 6 points in total. Player B's turn. B continues. A steal card. This is a power card. You don't use it immediately. Keep it hidden. Use it strategically later. Drawing a power card doesn't end your turn, so B keeps drawing. B has drawn 3 cards, the maximum. B ends with 3 points plus a steal card saved for later. The steal can be game changing. Player C's turn. C draws +3. A +3. C draws again. One more draw. C draws swap. Swap. This is an action card. Completely different. When you draw an action card, it happens immediately. Swap forces C to swap its entire hand with one chosen player, and that player must accept it. You must perform swap even if you are getting no cards in return, and vice versa. C chooses to swap with player A. Now C has A's card and A has C's cards. Important. Action card always end your turn immediately. You cannot draw more cards when you get an action card. You have to perform the action and discard it to the discard pile. And hence the swap card goes to the discard pile. Now D's turn. A +2. Drawing again. Crash all, the devastating action card. The entire score becomes 0. D must discard all cards. Completely wiped out. Action cards end your turn immediately. So no further drawing in this turn. B is back to nothing. Turn passes. Player A draws. A draws 3 cards. +3, +1 and +2. Player B has that saved steal card. Perfect time to use it. Power cards can be used strategically during your turn, but not immediately when drawn. But remember, you cannot draw cards from the pile when you're using power cards. Here's how steal works. Take up to 3 cards in total, either from one player or multiple players. B steals 1 +2 card from player A, 1 +1 and 1 +3 card from player C. B gains 6 points worth of cards while hurting 2 opponents. Strategic timing is everything. Player C draws. Crash card, another power card, goes into C's hand for later use. C continues. C +13 card, only one in entire deck, but C's current points total 15 over the target. Critical rule, if your point exceeds 13, you must continue playing. And use crash cards strategically to reduce down to exactly 13. Player D, rebuilding from 0. D draws 3 cards, +3, +3 and +2, and then turn ends. Player A draws. A +3. That's exactly 13 points. When you reach 13, reveal your cards. While claiming only point cards should be there. Any unused action or power card in your hand disqualified. And player A wins. The game continues. Player B draws. 2 +1s, just 2 points away from winning. B is close to winning. B goes for third draw. Crash all. Action card happen immediately. Player B's score becomes 0. All cards go to the discard pile. That's the risk in 13.
Now player C's turn.
Player C has points more than 13. Time to use that saved crash card. One crash must be used with 1 point card at a time. That card gets cancelled. C uses crash with the +2 card. It's discarded. Now C has just the +13 card. 13 points exactly. Player C wins. Perfect strategy. Save the crash card for this exact moment. You can use more than one crash card at once, but the number of crash cards must be equal to the number of point cards discarded.
Game passes to player D.
Player D draws 2 plus 2s. D's are 12 points, just one away from 13. But D decides not to take the risk. Drawing could mean going over or hitting an action card. Smart play. Game continues. B and D battle it out in the round 4. The game continued, round keep going. And that's 13. Quick round, big strategy, total unpredictability. Remember, it's not about getting close, it's about getting exactly 13. Good luck and may the cards be in your favor. Game on!